on! Even in magenta? I don't know who keeps leaving these here. It almost looks rosé or pink. But according to this marker that I just found, the label says that it's magenta. Seriously. Seriously. I better toss this away. Nope. Anyways, sorry about that, folks. Let's just draw Xicor and be out of the way. Anyways, Xicor is like Goku's other son, except he was created by a witch who fed Goku so much that he fell asleep, and the witch took some of his blood and put it into a potion, bringing Xicor to life. Eventually, Xicor has been after Goku ever since, possibly calling him father. Plus, he has a capability of turning Super Saiyan 5. Well, I don't know when we're gonna see Super Saiyan 5 in the TV show. It was mentioned in Dragon Ball GT, but Super Saiyan 5 is basically a fan art AF comic made in Dragon Ball AF. Basically, this guy was basically a Saiyan made from Goku's blood. I don't know how Chi-Chi would react if he had this guy as a son. I don't know if he's welcome into the family or not, but I think he is. Any Saiyan of Goku's family is a good friend of Goku. Anyways, here's his face. You must draw these eyes here. Now, next up, you just have to draw his hair here. Alexa, who is Xicor?
Salman Baksh, known professionally as Syke, is a Canadian rapper from Mississauga.
Okay, that's a bit messed up, but that's not what I wanted to ask her. Alexa, what is Dragon Ball AF?
Here's something I found on the web. According to constantshoe.com, Dragon Ball is a trademark of Bird Studio / Shueisha, Fuji TV, and Toei Animation.
Okay. Now, when you draw these black spots here, these are actually a part of Xicor's hair. And, basically, he's like a Saiyan, but with white hair. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I'm gonna draw Super Saiyan 5 Goku in one of my episodes. Spoiler alert! There we go. There's his head. I wonder if Xicor will be revealed in Dragon Ball Super. If they ever do Dragon Ball Super again. Alexa, play Blizzard by Geek Music.
Here's Dragon Ball Super, Broly, Blizzard main theme by Geek Music on Amazon Music.
There's his clothes here. Now when drawing his fingers, you must draw these marks around him. my buddy Tyler came up with his own version of Super Saiyan 5. It's like something inside Super Saiyan 4 snapped, and you grow like great ape teeth and claws. I don't know when we're gonna if you ask me, that sounds like an awesome version of Super Saiyan 5. Or at least a new version of Super Saiyan 6. Make sure to tell Tyler I said that, because Super Saiyan 6 sounds awesome. It might be the evolved form of Super Saiyan 5. If you ever run into my buddy Tyler, he'll tell you all about his own comics, because they're awesome. Especially the one with Monster Quest and Dragon Ball AF. I wanted to see what happens next in the series. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, speaking of Super Saiyan 5, I've heard of this Super Saiyan 4 Limit Breaker. If you haven't seen the latest episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes, you'd be happy to go to that site anytime you want. After all, Super Dragon Ball Heroes is for everybody, and it's a game built just for fun, not for war. Plus, it's really fun to watch. I heard that Vegeta and Goku finally found the universe tree, and they're finally gonna have the chance to fight Fu. Anyways, that's how you draw Xicor from Dragon Ball AF. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed my Dragon Ball AF fan dub thing. Hold on, let me start over. I hope you guys enjoyed my how to draw Xicor video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'd be happy to show you more Dragon Ball characters real soon. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the skies. Bada bing, bada bye, amigos. And Xicor, I'd be happy to see you in Dragon Ball. That would make the fans be super excited.